just gonna run a couple sprints, nothing too crazy. Work on that explosiveness, endurance, all that good stuff. Oh, hammies are tight today from that lift we had. Yeah. Body doesn't feel too bad today, surprisingly, after a pretty tough total body workout yesterday. Nothing to complain about besides just being a little tight. Part of the game, just gotta get through it and work on this speed stuff. Just keeping up with that and then transferring all this endurance and strength over to the mount.